sound good right now. Bratwurst. Let's go cook. For the past couple of days, I've been craving one of these, man. Now this is like the American style with ketchup, mustard. This one's the bell pepper, onions, and then Italian cheese. I'm gonna get back to my bratwurst, my anime. I'll catch you on the next one. You dig?